Future of 3D printing with OpenAI and Blender. Be one of the first to use OpenAI in your business. This service will give your customers and your business countless ideas and examples to increase your sales revenue. Welcome to Granny 3D Print Shop, a fictional 3D shop, where we will show you that the new OpenAI called DALL-E. It not only will help increase your sales, but your customers will absolutely love it. So how can you use DALL-E for your 3D business? For example, if a customer wants a teapot, but not sure of the shape, color, or how the text will look on the pot, then that is where DALL-E comes in. The customer will only need to type in one sentence, and DALL-E will show the end user what it will look like in different colors, pattern, and sizes, even what a broken teapot will look like. So, let's see how it works. The customer calls up Granny's 3D Printing. She needs an idea for a Mother's Day gift. The customer service representative asks the customer what kinds of things does their mother like. The customer responds, "My mom likes cherry blossoms and teapots." The customer service representative types in cherry blossoms and teapots on their website, using DALL-E. A number of choices comes back, in a matter of seconds, on the computer screen. The representative emails the customer the choices. When the customer opens up the email attachment, she can pick which one is her favorite. Then she replies back to the emails with the item she selected. Then the item gets shipped off to their mother. The second customer goes directly to Granny's 3D printing app to choose what type of product they want printed out of the 3D printer. Next, let's see how the process works. The customer has 3 options to choose from. In this example, she will choose the third option: describe the item you want. The customer will be presented with a text prompt. She types in the following sentence: 2-panel image of the exact same teapot. On the top, a photo of the teapot. On the bottom, the teapot with checkers. DALL-E will present a split screen. On the top screen will show a variety of colors and shapes of teapots. In this example, the customer chose the brown teapot, and the customer wanted the teapot to have checkers. In the second panel, DALL-E gives examples of teapots with checkers. Just by writing a simple sentence, the AI generated multiple kinds of teapots to choose from. Now Granny's 3D print shop can import the image into Blender. You make your proper adjustments and export the image to your 3D software of choice. In this case, I will export the image to Simplify 3D. Now Granny's 3D print shop will print the teapot from Simplify 3D. FedEx will ship your product same day or next day delivery. Sales have doubled overnight. Check out DALL-E at the link below.